Hey, so today let's start with like a video, my TikTok video. It was my mother. No. I don't know if you know it, but mostly the ones who are in TikTok know it. Anyways, I decided enough with the talking, sitting down, and whatever. Let's go for a nature walk around our place. Hey. So, hi guys. It's in the evening and we have decided to go for a walk to the
lake.
to the lake
Lake Nakuru.
Nakuru, because it's near our place. It's just 5 minutes away. Yeah, so walk with me. So we are about to reach, but so as you can see, we are about to approach the lake. Yeah, this lake, it was, you remember the time that there was a lot of flooding in lakes and whatever. So Lake Nakuru came, what is it called, flooded until it now covered some places where people were living. So now that's where all this water came from. It came from the floods and whatever. Yeah. So there are some houses that were affected by the water, as you can see. Some are there. I don't know if you can see. Even this whole place that you can see, the grass, there was water. There was a time there was water, a lot of water. There's a time that we could not even walk on this path. So guys, this was the before, like the water was, even those houses, like when you get there, like you could, like the water would reach above your knees. Yeah, now it has reduced, it's going back. Yeah, as right now you can see we have reached. Yeah, so in our place there's a lot of places you can visit. As you can see, it's drying out, it's drying, but this whole place had water, even here. And there's a time we were coming to swim here. This is where I learned how to swim, by the way. And this nini is very spongy. How can I call it? Spongy. It's spongy. There's a time, the time that there was a lot of water, people were coming to fish. Yeah, there was a lot of fish here. But these days it has reduced. Yeah. These are one of the houses that were affected. Kai, nakumbukanga hizi mawe menye zilikuwanga zinatukatakata miguu. Ati ni fish tunatafuta na boat. Also this walibakisha ya kuonyesha kulikuwa na nyumba hapo. Like this water was reaching us here at the, wewe ilikuwa inakufika wapi hiyo time? But right now there is no, like it has gone back so fast. Sasa walisikia like kuna maji na hofu wakahama.
Kulikuwa na storage, kuna mama alikuwa amekataa kutoka kwa nyumba yake.
Alafu ika
mpaka maji inafika kwa kilala, kwa kitanda maji iko karibu kupanda kwa kitanda.
na wakaamua kuhama. Ulikuwa unakuja hapo unapata fish ilishashikiwa kwa hiyo fence. Yeah, so guys, as you can see, the water went back. Like this place had a lot of water. Like it used to reach kwa mabega. You see? After all that, we went back home. And the reason why we went back home first, we met some people there. Some men, I think they were drunk. Sasa mmoja wao alikuwa na kijiti and they wanted to greet us. So we refused, and like they started wanting to beat us with that stick. So we had to go home. Hey, we ran. Hey, that place, we should not go alone. Anyways, if you need a trip to our place, you can come and visit. I'll take you. Yeah, so remember to subscribe, like, and share my video. Yeah, and also click the notification bell for notifications so that you can know when I post a video. So it's Icy. Bye bye.